The first written texts in Mesopotamia appeared in approximately 3200 BCE and were written, as far as we can tell, in the Sumerian language. These texts are considered to be the oldest written sources in world history, although some scholars would argue that the earliest Egyptian texts predate the Sumerian ones. The script of these very ancient texts was pictorial, that is, the different signs were more or less pictures of concrete objects. The content was usually quite simple. The texts document financial transactions. Another interesting feature of this ancient period is the introduction of cylinder seals adorned with drawings.
What we see here is cuneiform in its infancy, so very early days, just after writing has been invented. At this period, cuneiform writing has well over 1,000 characters. They represent commodities, things in the environment. They're pictures of objects or parts of objects, or particularly the heads of animals.
The period between 2800 and 2350 BCE is referred to as the early dynastic period. The texts from this period are more diverse in nature. In addition to economic texts, there emerge several literary texts, including the wisdom collection known as the Instructions of Shurupak. Another new literary genre is royal inscriptions, texts that glorify the king's achievements. Most of these texts were written in southern Mesopotamia. As the technology of writing developed during this period, scribes began using a triple-edged, sharpened stylus. This technique schematized the script, which became less and less pictorial. The basic unit of each sign now resembled a wedge. This graphic trait later gave this script its modern name, cuneiform, after the Latin word cuneus, wedge. As part of the process of schematization and abstraction of the script system, many of the signs began to signify syllables rather than concrete words. The new method, writing, began to spread beyond southern Mesopotamia, reaching cities in northern Mesopotamia and Syria.